Sadly, this morning, one of my baby mantis died and she was going to go in here. So it's left me with an extra jar I didn't know what to do with. I do now. We're going to make an ecosphere.
Yeah.
Here it is, a day later. Now it's all cleared and everything seems to have settled. I think we better take a closer look inside. This appears to be a water strider cleaning itself. They've got a couple of these guys sitting on the surface just tinkering around. They're predators and evidently they can also fly. We'll have to see in the future what actually happens to these. This is a lesser water boatman. Doesn't appear to want to do anything, but he is showing off his nice little skill of holding bubbles underwater. As for all the critters that I scooped up, these appear to be the most prolific. It's an amphipod. I think they look like little shrimps, to be honest. If you look real careful, bounce around, there's lots of little tiny specks of life in here. I can see what I think is a daphnia and a copepod of some description, probably a cyclops. Don't know. Why don't you let me know? I watched this one for quite some time and I, for the life of me, can't figure out what the hell it is. At first I thought it was a leech, but the way it's swimming makes me think otherwise. This is one of a handful of snails I managed to scoop. Another snail. This one's a bladderwort, surrounded by amphipods and Lord knows what else. There are many more little creatures in here, some of them I've never even seen before. Now, if you want to do an update, why not give us a like and subscribe, and I'll come back and see what we got next week. See you now.